What's up, muscle car people? This is Brandon Muscle Cars and I'm Matt. We got Kenny in the background making stupid jokes. Today we're going to do a battery replacement. We already did the relocation to the back, but now we're going to move it and we're going to go with a lithium ion battery. And it is an Antigravity RS-30. So let's see that zoom in. So this battery also has jump start capabilities in it. So what happens is if it drains down, it will save enough battery to start the car and recharge it. So it's a pretty neat feature. And it also weighs about 8 pounds, 8 to 10 pounds, I guess. So we're gonna see how much weight we save with this one versus the other one. I also bought the anti-gravity mount for it. So this is how we're gonna mount it. It's gonna go in the corner. I'll show you real quick, right? So this is where the battery was mounted. I've already taken the battery out. Kenny had to use it to start his car. But you can see how it was mounted. It was originally mounted in the spare tire well, but I had to move it because we put the ice tank there. So I had to make this rig to hold it, which doesn't look good, and it added more weight to it. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna build a plate. We're gonna weld the plate in right here in the corner, and then the battery will mount right there. So it's gonna be a lot cleaner installation. We're gonna be able to move some of this stuff to the side and just have a better install overall, I believe. So we're gonna get to it. So, took the battery box, unhooked it, took it out. So now we get to lose all this weight. And look how much more open it is now, along with actually being able to get to the shutoff for the ice box. So now I'm gonna vacuum it out, get it all clean so we can get prepared to mount the battery over on the side. I'm gonna have Kenny hold the screws so we can mount them. But for now, I drilled 4 holes so we could mount it to the car. You can see the screws I'm gonna use, the bolts. We finished installing the anti-gravity battery. I weighed the battery and then I weighed my old stuff. We saved 30 pounds, just over 30 pounds. That's a huge savings on the car. So let's take a look at the install that we did. We were able to fit the battery in the corner before it was over here. We're gonna shorten the wires and make everything much cleaner. We just didn't have time to finish all that up yesterday. So, if you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss any of the awesome updates. And remember, if you got a fast car like us, you better bring it. Thanks for watching.